Welcome back to How It's Made. Whipping up a dessert used to take a fair bit of muscle power, until a mixer with a motor was invented in the early part of the 20th century. The first ones were very industrial looking and not much like today's sleek models. But with this invention, the job of baking is a piece of cake. Today's mixers can whisk you into a world of culinary delight. To make one, a machine straightens wire between rows of wheels. Computer-programmed forming tools make 12 bends to produce shapes, which will be used to build a whip attachment for the mixer. To assemble a whip, a technician fits the wire arcs into an aluminium hub, starting with the largest one and graduating down to the smallest. Underneath, a punch mechanism dimples the hub to fasten each wire to it. Here, dough hooks and beaters are dropped into a vibrating bowl full of metal nuggets. The friction polishes these zinc mixer attachments and gets rid of the sharp edges. Next, a band of aluminium is threaded into a machine that bends it to the contour of the mixer. This piece of trim carries the brand name. A bowl feeder now funnels hollow iron weights towards a system that threads wire through each one of them. Mechanical arms pinch and bend the wire, making small hooks on the ends. Two of these weights will be used in each speed governor, the device which keeps the mixer's speed constant despite changes in the load. To assemble the speed governor, they arrange a brass hub, spring and a washer in a holding device and then press fit them together. The two weights are attached to the spring assembly using the protruding wires. The speed governor system is now complete. Here's how the governor weights fly out to regulate the mixer's speed. It's now time to prepare the motor shaft. This spinning steel cylinder is lowered to a revolving cutter. Lubricant keeps the cutter cool as it carves spirals into the end of the shaft. The spiraling grooves will allow the shaft to drive the mixer's internal gears. With its motor windings and bearings attached, the shaft is installed into the mixer body. Next, electrical contacts are riveted to plastic control boards. These contacts will conduct electricity to drive the motor. An electrical charge is delivered to the contacts to make sure they're working. Then, screws, nuts and springs are attached to complete the control board assembly. The control board will work in conjunction with the governor weights to control the mixer's speed. For these mixers to really shine, they'll need a good paint job. The mixer parts are polished on an abrasive belt to prepare them for painting. Then it's into the paint booth. This is a highly charged process. The paint has a positive electrical charge and is attracted to the zinc mixer parts, which are negatively charged. Now all the parts are in the mix. And coming up next, we'll show you how they all come together.